The following message is transmitted at the request of the Lafayette Police Department. A mysterious individual was seen roaming around outside of downtown Lafayette. This individual is not yet hostile at this time. However, it is best that you do not go near this individual, as this individual has potential to be dangerous. If you accidentally approached this individual, turn around and back away from this individual. This individual is standing at around 6 feet tall, wearing light blue shirt, dark blue pants, and has a bright glowing eyes. If you spot this individual in your area, call 911. Stay tuned for more updates on this individual.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of Lafayette Police Department. Around an hour ago, an unknown individual that was been spotted outside from downtown Lafayette. This individual has identified as Herobrine. Herobrine is a character from a game called Minecraft. Herobrine is standing 6 feet tall, wearing a light blue shirt, dark blue pants, brown hair, and glowing white eyes. He was also last seen using one of his powers to generate fire in specific locations throughout downtown Lafayette. If you see this individual, run away as fast as possible and call 911. Stay tuned for further updates on this situation.